Hello, this is Hector Mestre from Mestre Quality Studio. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the new Wyze headphones from a perspective of a recording engineer. Here in my hands I have the new Wyze headphones. Wyze is a company that is known for great quality products at a great price. I was looking forward for these headphones because I have a lot of their products in my home and my recording studio. And when they came out with this, I said I had to get it. So let's see, let's open it and see what's the quality on this headphone. Well, now I'm gonna be opening the box. Here I have it, just slide it out. Let's see this. Wow, these headphones, I feel them and they have weight on it. It feels that they can last for a while. The sides of it are metal. That means they can probably fall on the floor. You might be able to kick them and nothing will happen to them. And that's one of the reasons why these headphones feel so solid. The metal plate on it, or the metal arm that's right here, it feels that for me in the studio, one of my musicians can maybe kick it and I won't be as afraid of a lot of the headphones that I use in the studio that are mainly plastic, all the way from this to the arm and the headband. And wow, they feel great. Let me see how they isolate the sound. It's very dead outside, so I really like them. They feel very comfortable and they're pretty heavy. Now I'm gonna see what's inside the box. It has this cardboard here. This is probably the charger because these are Bluetooth mainly. Oh wow, look, it comes with a pouch where the headphone can slide into, and the pouch, yeah, look at this, it feels good. I guess that you would have to fold it. Let me see. Yeah, they're foldable. Oh yeah, I could do that. Put it inside the pouch. This is great. This is great. I like it because not only that I can use it for the studio, but I can take it on the car and a trip or anything with me, and I know they'll be safe. Let me see what else it has here. It has a USB cable to charge it, and it's like a USB-C, Type-C connection. Hopefully I'm feeling it right. And it has a cord. These headphones mainly are Bluetooth, but you can also use them with a cord. Let me see the cable. The cable doesn't seem to be very long at all, so I might have to use it with an extension, but that's okay. That's normal. I have many of those in the studio. Where do I connect it? Here's the USB connection right here to charge it, and the connection for the headphone is right here. Great. Now I want to play some music to see, by putting this on, how much music can go through with this on and no music coming in through the headphones. So let me check over here. Wow, this is great. This is great. This feels like it really knocks out about 20 dBs of sound out of the headphones itself. now I'm gonna grab the headphones, connect it to my interface, and see how they really sound. Something that I did notice, that I had to get an adapter to use it because the headphones itself didn't come with one. I have to grab one from my other headphones, and so I guess that's a downfall, but the quality itself is so good that takes over that necessity. And so let me just plug it in to my interface and see what it sounds like. Guys, I actually love it. I love it. The sound is a little more mid-range. I'm gonna have to check it out in different other products, such as my phone and other things. The sound is more mid-range, but it has a great kick on the low end, and it has some nice highs, but overall it's great quality. It feels good in the hand, and they feel like they're gonna last for a very long time. And giving props to Wyze, I think they have created another great product, just like everything else they have done. They have nailed it, and I guess I'll be using them for a lot of many other things. Even in my recording studio, I never thought that I was gonna use anything from Wyze in the recording studio, but hey, here it is. I guess I'm gonna implement this for my musicians too. Well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, share, and if you have any questions, just write them in the comments below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Thank you.